Hi, welcome to our second devlog. In our previous video, we made a very small part of our map to just to give you an idea. In this video, we're going to complete it. But before we start, let's talk about our game. This is a first-person shooter game. The main story is your little sister lost in space because of your uncle's mad experiment, and now you need to find her by traveling through different universes. Currently, I have planned to make 3 different levels. The first level, as you can see, is a stylish level. I mean, the whole game is stylish, but you can see how it's look. And the second level will be a planet that lost the sun, but the planet has adapted to live without it. And for the third level, an idea just born in my head. So the third level will be, how can I say the idea is just born. Also, for each level, you have to fight different aliens and robots. And I know some of you might say you cannot make such a big game alone, but trust me, I have it all under control because I have you. Please help me by subscribing this channel and also hit the like button. Okay, that's it for today. Let's jump into our progress. So first of all, I started with train. I made 2 big mountains and it will be our finish point. Then I added some big rocks and mixed them with train. Now all we need to do is make this level a level, because right now it's just a train with some mountain. I made some more trees and put them on the train. To make this level more beautiful, I added some more grasses. And I think it's look a lot better. As you can see, I am using mostly detail grasses, which is very performance heavy, but I am also using LOD, GPU instancing and other things to make my game like butter. No, not that one, the 144 has one. I think the map is complete. I mean, there are a lot to do, but the base of our map is complete. Now we need to make this map feel more alive, you know what I mean. So if you want to see how I will convert this state map to alive, then hit the subscribe button. Now some of you might say your video is too short, but remember, it's a work of 3 weeks in 2-minute video. Goodbye, I'm your friend Shafin, see you soon.